Let's talk about midnight cocktails. The scent notes is cedarwood, cloves, tobacco. And as you do see, it's in the warm plus comforting scent profile. So midnight cocktails is a whole vibe. Like I said, it's a soft masculine but unisex scent. For those people who really don't like the heavy masculine scent, I think this is the pick for you. If you just really want to try a masculine scent because you're tired of all of like the heavy florals or the gourmand type of scents, and you just kind of want to try a masculine scent, I feel like this is the one to grab because it's not heavy. It's more of a neutral or a unisex type of scent. I personally feel like it's a sweet floral tobacco scent. It's almost like the tobacco you put inside of a pipe. If you've ever smelled that, that's the first thing that came to mind is, you know, someone smoking a pipe. You know, it's not that the stinky, it's not that heavy, I don't know the right word, but it's more of that floral type of tobacco type of scent to me. I do get the cedarwood note in this as well as the clove note, but I personally feel like it's more of a tobacco forward scent. But if you don't like that floral tobacco, you probably won't like this. You know, if you don't like masculine scents at all, and you ain't even willing to give it a try, then I say stand clear of this scent. But again, like I said earlier, I really don't feel like this is anything special. It's not anything special. I feel like this is just like any other tobacco scent that I have. You know, I don't get like a whiskey or a bourbon type of scent in this. I know it doesn't have that in the scent notes, but sometimes the tobacco type of scent kind of, all those scents kind of be in the same family, you know, but I don't get that with this. I get more of a tobacco scent. The type of vibe I get is more of a mellow vibe. You know, it kind of puts you in the mood of, I want to sit and chill. I want to listen to some old school R&B, or the type of scent you would smell if you went to like a cigar bar lounge, or if you went to just a regular lounge. This is the type of scent that I would kind of probably smell in that type of atmosphere. As far as the throw, now the throw in this little small room, it was a powerhouse. Super strong, to the point where I had to actually turn the diffuser off because it was just too much for this little room. As far as the open concept, it gave me more of a medium high. It wasn't like a powerhouse. It didn't, you know, smack me in the face where I had to turn the diffuser off, but it most definitely is noticed in the room. So yes, I do like this scent. I will be grabbing more of this scent, and the reason being is because I really don't have any Wallflowers like this, you know, that I could think of. I don't have any tobacco scented Wallflowers, so because of that, I will be grabbing more, because y'all know I always do the Wallflower hack on just about all of my Wallflowers. So yes, I'll probably be grabbing maybe 2 more of this one, but again, like I said, it's nothing special to me. I do have the 3 wick. As you do see, I think I've burned the 3 wick maybe 2 or 3 times. If you're getting a light throw on your 3 wick, I highly suggest you grab some of the Wallflowers and do the Wallflower hack, so you really could get like the scent of the fragrance. So how do I feel about this scent? Yes, I feel like you should grab it just to have in your collection, especially if you don't have any tobacco scent Wallflowers. Then yes, grab it. Again, it's nothing special. I feel like lately Bath and Body Works been doing a lot of scents similar to this. Not to say that they're alike, but I think they've been doing a lot of warm tone scents like this. You know, again, as far as Wallflowers, they have not did a lot in Wallflowers. So that's the reason why I say yes, grab this for your stash, for your collection, because you never know. They might not do the Wallflowers, but they will do candles, but you might not be able to get it in the Wallflower. So that's the reason why I will be grabbing more of this one. Yeah. So that's really all I have on this scent. Soft masculine unisex scent, a sweet floral tobacco scent, slightly woody, slightly spicy, meaning that clove note, but more of a tobacco, sweet tobacco, not sweet as gourmand, sweet as floral. So yeah, that's my take. Leave in the comments, how do you feel about this? What notes do you get? Do you get that clove note? Do you get that cedarwood notes? Or are you smelling the same thing I'm smelling? More of that floral tobacco scent. Leave that down in the comments, because we all smell things different. You might point something out that I didn't notice. I've heard some people say that this scent is smoky. I don't get smoky. I just get tobacco, slightly spicy or slightly clove, and slightly woody. That's what I get, no smoke. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, what is your take on this scent? Have you tried this scent? Did you try it in the Wallflower form? Did you use the hack, or did you just get the candle? Leave all that down in the comments, because I'm just kind of curious, what's everybody take on this scent? Is this a scent we all should be hoarding? Should we be running for this scent? Leave that down in the comments. Also, shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always having my back. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments about how do you feel about the midnight cocktail scent. Leave that down in the comments. Also, I forgot to mention the scent family, or the scent profile, is warm plus comforting, and I do agree. Yes, this is a warm scent, and it do make you feel like cozy and mellow and chill and a whole vibe. I do feel like this scent is a whole vibe. I also feel like this scent is a evening scent. This is like a wind down scent. You want to sip some wine, you want to sip some cognac. That's what I feel. You don't get any cognac or anything like that in this scent, but I feel like that's what it kind of gives you. It kind of puts you in that mood where those are the things you want to do. So yeah, I agree with the scent profile. I really do. So again, leave your comments down at the bottom. What do you think about midnight cocktails? And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.